Hello and welcome to Kitchen Basics. In this module, I'll be speaking to you about making classic macaroni and cheese. Now, this dish is called mac and cheese or mac and cheese in the US and Canada. I believe its origins are in Great Britain. Now, give yourself about 40 minutes the first time you try preparing it. With practice, you can reduce the time to under 25 minutes. Regarding the ingredients, you have 2 cups of macaroni, 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 teaspoons of diced yellow onion, 1 tablespoon of flour, all-purpose, 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard, 8 ounces of cheese, either Monterey Jack or cheddar, your preference, 2 cups of milk, and then 3/4 teaspoon sea salt. Let's go through this as far as step 1. We place the macaroni in boiling water and cook until soft, but don't overcook. Now, while it's boiling, turn on the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then put the butter in a pan, followed by the diced onions, and saute over medium heat. Now, while that's going on, you can shred the cheese and butter the casserole dish. Step 2. Put in a pan the flour, mustard, and salt. Then stir just for a few seconds. Now, step 3 is you slowly stir in the milk and heat until smooth and hot, but not boiling. Now, at this point, you can sprinkle the cheese into the milk mixture and stir until melted. Leave a little cheese for the last step. Now, we can also drain the macaroni into a colander under cold water to minimize sticking. Step 4 is place the macaroni in the buttered casserole dish. Pour and stir the cheese sauce over the macaroni. Then you can top with the remainder of the cheese, as you see here in this picture. Then we can bake uncovered for 15 minutes. Congratulations! At this point, you've prepared your first macaroni and cheese. It serves 4 individuals. If desired, you can put diced tomato on top for color. Now, when it's made, serve immediately. Thank you for watching Kitchen Basics.